How to change your character in Headball 2. If you are looking for a way to customize your player or improving your gameplay in Headball 2, here's how you can easily do it. First of all, launch open the Headball 2 game on your device. From the lobby screen, tap on the character button at the bottom center. You'll see a list of characters you've unlocked. Simply go ahead and find the character you want to switch to and click select. Once you tap select, you'll be able to change your character, and if you return to the main lobby screen, you'll be able to see your new character. Try upgrading your character as well to improve speed, shooting, and power for better performance in the matches. Remember, not all the characters are unlocked. Keep playing the game so that you can unlock more characters. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.